Why pay for ElevenLabs or other expensive tools when there's a completely free alternative? No signups, no subscriptions, no limits. Yes, you heard that right. This is the ultimate free voiceover tool you've been waiting for. Let's dive in and check it out. The tool I'm talking about is speechma.com. It's hands down one of the best free text-to-speech generators out there. There's no need to create an account, and you can start generating high-quality voiceovers instantly. It's free to use, completely unrestricted, and available anywhere in the world. Ready to see how it works? Here's how simple it is. Go to speechma.com, paste your script, pick a voice, and click generate. That's it. No signups, no hidden fees, no nonsense. Let's test it out. Let's get started with speechma.com, your new favorite text-to-speech tool. First, head over to the website. Once you're there, paste your script into the text box at the center of the page. It's super simple and user-friendly, so no need to worry about complicated steps. Next, click on the gender selection drop-down. For this demo, let's choose a female voice. Now, here's the fun part. We're going with Ashley, a speaker with a smooth USA accent that's perfect for professional and engaging voiceovers. Once you've picked your voice, enter the verification code in the box below to confirm. Then, hit the Generate Audio button and let the magic happen. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds for processing, and then, boom, your audio is ready to go. Now let's hit play and check out the voice we just created.
Have you ever thought about why birds migrate such incredible distances every year? It's a fascinating question. They cross continents, braving harsh weather and countless challenges, all driven by instinct and survival.
I think you're going to love how natural it sounds. Now let's switch things up. Take the same script, but this time, try it with a Filipino accent. Follow the same steps, hit Generate Audio, and wait for the magic. After a few seconds of processing, your voice will be ready to play. Let's hear how it sounds.
Have you ever thought about why birds migrate such incredible distances every year? It's a fascinating question. They cross continents, braving harsh weather and countless challenges, all driven by instinct and survival.
Check out all the languages available on this website. You can choose any one you want. Let's make it even more exciting by picking Hindi. Next, choose your character, fill in the verification code, and hit Generate Audio. After a few moments of magic, your voiceover will be ready. Ready to be blown away? Let's hear it.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि पक्षी हर साल इतनी लंबी दूरी क्यों तय करते हैं? यह एक दिलचस्प सवाल है। वे महाद्वीपों को पार करते हैं, कठोर मौसम और अनगिनत चुनौतियों का सामना करते हुए, केवल अपनी प्रवृत्ति और जीवित रहने की चाह के लिए।
Speechma.com, over 400 voices, giving you endless possibilities for your audio projects. The audio files you create are securely stored in your browser's local storage, ensuring privacy and easy access. They stay available until you clear your browser data or delete them manually. If you find these tools helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment on which AI tool you want to see next. Got a game-changing AI tool you want featured? Send us an email. Don't miss the next video. Check it out now.